Today in this video I show you how to fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on Android. If you also able to only do emergency calls and your service or SIM card is not showing, then you can fix the problem with the method that I am going to show you in this video. First method is to turn on your SIM card, open settings app and then click on connection. Now click on SIM manager. You can see my SIM 2 is turned off. If you also find your SIM card turned off, then click on this toggle. Now check if your problem is fixed or not, and if you're still having no service problem, then go back, open mobile networks, select the network mode for the SIM in which you are having problem. You can try to select all these so that your SIM card or service will work. After selecting network mode, you can open network operators and go to the SIM in which you are having problem. Now what you can do is select your network operators manually. By turning off this toggle, select automatically. Now click on scan networks. Click on OK. Now select your network operator or service provider. And after doing this, your problem will be fixed. If you're still having problem, then you can try to update your software. Go back to settings. Now scroll down to the end. Open software update. Now if you have any update, then update the software. You can also go back and search network reset. Open this reset mobile network settings. Now you can try to reset your mobile network settings so that your problem will be fixed. You can also make sure that your SIM card is inserted properly on your SIM card slot. You can try to reinsert your SIM card. After doing all these methods, if you're still having the problem, then you can try to reach your service provider and ask them to fix this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.